everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. Today's video I am very excited for because it is fall time, and that means that I get to take out my fall decorations, my Halloween decorations, and just fill this apartment. And there's something about fall and Halloween decorations that just makes me feel cozy, and I think it's just the fall time in general. I love wearing sweaters and the scents associated with fall, like all the pumpkin and all the like apple and just warmth. When I think of fall, I just think of like cozy time. So I thought it'd be fun to make a video and bring you guys along with me while I decorate and kind of clean up. I need to do that at the same time while I decorate because it's a little messy in here, and you know, when you decorate you kind of move some stuff around, so I'll work it out. But I have a whole tub here of some decorations. It's pretty big. I mean, actually, it's not too big, but for a little apartment, I feel like it's a good size. And I got some new stuff. My mom got me some stuff. So yeah, we'll go through it all and figure out where I'm gonna put it. And this place is gonna be feeling so cozy at the end of this video. Let's get started. Now, if some of these decorations look a little familiar, if you've been watching me for a while, then some of these might, because I did make a video on my channel, I think, of me doing fall decorations, and some of this was from that video. So some of this stuff may look familiar, but it's a whole different space, so it should be fun. Now I gotta decide, what should we do first? I always say we. I feel like, I don't know why I always say we. You're not here with me, but I'm including you so you can feel like you're here. Maybe I just put some lights up first. Let's try that. Okay, these lights are little like twinkle lights. They're pretty small, and I have different colors. I have purple, orange, like orangish yellow, I think, and red. One of them got kind of like gross inside with the batteries, so I had my dad clean them out because they were keeping my decorations, and I was like, Dad, please help. I don't know how to get this crap out. I don't even remember which one it was. Oh, it was definitely this one. Oh, that still doesn't look great. That's gonna be really disappointing if it doesn't work. So there's like gross battery stuff in there. Oh, is it bad of me to put batteries in there still, even though that stuff's in there? Maybe I'll try to take a Q-tip to it. Honestly, I should call my dad and be like, did you clean this? I only asked him because like, I didn't know if I needed to put something specific in here to help clean it out or what. So I'm gonna try to clean this, and then we'll put some batteries in. Oh God. If you only saw, these lights started flashing and it scared me. Okay, well, it's working. Here are the lights. These are the orange ones, and right now they're flashing, but you can change them up. I like when they're just steady on. I should put the lights up here so you can see it turn on. Yay, did you see it? I know, it's pretty bright in here. And last but not least, some red ones. Ready? They turned on. You can see it there. I think I changed my mind. I was gonna show you different things and then put them up, but I think I'm just gonna kind of go through what I have and then show you where I end up putting things. So this is a runner, and it goes across the table, and it's like a spider web kind of thing. Oh, so cute. Little ghost guy. He has a little like weighted thing on him. Another ghost guy, a little sign. I could hang this somewhere, but we'll see. A little cat. This was actually in my Halloween video from last year when I did Sabrina the Teenage Witch. This was Salem. A ghost light, a ghost lantern. If you've watched any of my fall decorating videos or heard me talk about it, I love putting up leaves like on the walls with like that sticky kind of tacky stuff. It just makes it feel more cozier. If you've never done that, I would definitely recommend it. It's really cute. It's kind of like weird if you think about it. You're just putting like fake leaves on the wall, but it adds to the vibe, I promise. This little guy, he's cute. I think I got, yeah, this is from the Dollar Tree. I would recommend going to the Dollar Tree or like maybe Dollar General even, and looking for decorations because they do have some really cute stuff, and it's cheap. I have a bunch of pumpkins, like fake little pumpkins. This one's cute and glittery, has a gold stem. The rest of them look more real. Some pumpkin garland. Which I think this was probably another thing I got at the Dollar Tree. And more leaves, like a lot of them. Batteries. Wow. I just bought batteries today for those lights because I didn't see any like on the top of this box. That's what I get for not actually taking the time to look through the box. A little pumpkin guy. He has a little thing in the back, sits right up. I have a thing to put on the door, and a lot of people put these like on their front doors, but last year I think I put it on the back of, not this door, but the door to walk out of the bedroom. Then when I was a kid, my mom used to have a bunch of window decals for different seasons, different holidays. And so when it came time for me to get some, I got some. And these are like the squishy ones. I have this little cat, a witch, and this says Halloween. Some of it's actually a little broken or faded away, but we'll deal. Oh, it looks like fall threw up on my floor right now. Now on to some stuff I just got from my mom. She got me some candles, which you'll see eventually, but those are sitting out. Oh yeah, a little dish towel that has a cat on it. More window decal things, pumpkins and spiders, and a different cat with some bats and a pumpkin. Then some spooky soap, candy corn, can't forget that. I feel like with candy corn, you either like it or you just like hate it. I like it. My mom also got me a welcome mat, which I will insert right here. I already put that out there, super cute, little pumpkins. And then this is a sign, a wooden sign, and it's very, very large and a little bit heavy. And one side says Happy Halloween and the other says Happy Fall, y'all. Wow, that was hard with one hand. But the thing is, when my mom showed me this on the Aldi website, I thought it was gonna be like a little sign to hang on the door. And then she took a picture of it once she got it, and I was like, okay, you know, I'll figure it out. We will figure it out. I did just realize I had a few other things. This cauldron, which I want to put candy in. We got this at Target. There is this spooky looking tree that I want to hot glue spooky leaves on. There's a little orange candle that's out there, and then this cute little sign that my mom got me. It says, eat, drink, and be scary. It has a fall side too, and it says harvest time. I really like this one though. I think it's really cute. And since I just turned 21 this year, it's kind of applies, you know? Okay, I think that's it. Time to decorate. Now for my scattered brain right now, I need to start somewhere easy. So, kitchen table, apple cider donuts, candle from Aldi. It smells so good. I'm gonna move you guys a little so you can see better. Now I'm gonna be putting the leaves on this wall because this is like one of our most empty walls and most biggest ones. So, oh, this looks gross. I have this putty here, but there's like hair in it. Ew, I'm still using it. Last year I ended up putting little pumpkins on Garrett's little studio speakers, so I'm gonna do that again. Also, there used to be something hanging right here, so that's why it looks weird. Now to the next wall. Here's a cute little orange candle that we have over here. And this is gonna be a quick little DIY project. So this is the spooky, this is the spooky tree, and then here is like a circle of leaves, and I just want to hot glue them on here, so let's do it. Ta-da! Yay! It's so cute. I wanted it to be kind of sparse, so I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. Here's another empty wall, and you know what I'm gonna do. I really didn't want to film every single thing because it did take me a couple hours. And I think it's just because I was being very meticulous about where I wanted to put everything. But anyways, I have finished decorating, so cue the montage. guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you all the fall and Halloween vibes that you may desire. I definitely feel like I am in a completely different apartment just because now it's decorated. So it's weird how that happens, but it's magical. Anyways, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow my social media accounts. They will be at the beginning of this video or in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.